Guys, this is your final video. This is going to be showing you how to do the scatter plot. Pretty simple. First thing we want to do is highlight the data that we want. We're going to do males time versus VO2 first. Okay, so we're going to do time converted. Go ahead and highlight all of the times. Press Control so you can highlight several at a time. So then after I press Control, hold it and click on and hold all the VO2 values. Okay, so now I have both of those columns highlighted here. Then I'm going to go to Insert tab, Scatter Plot. I'm going to go ahead and just pick that first one. And it's going to give me something that looks like that. Okay, I'm going to make it a little prettier. Select this here. I've got a title, axis. The one thing I don't like is to have so much space there on the x-axis. So we simply right-click on like the 5 or one of the axes numbers, and we're going to go to Format Axis on the bottom. Okay, so Format Axis, it'll bring this up. Where does our trend line seem to start? Around 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix the minimum and make that start at 10. Okay, and let's see, do we want anything else? No, let's go ahead and keep that. Okay, so you can see how it changed it there, right? Put in your titles. You can take this out since it's all males. Just get a nice title in there. We can get rid of these grid lines here, pressing delete. The grid lines tend to make things just a little bit more messy. Okay, right click on the dots and let's go to add trend line. Add trend line. We want to see the trend line there. We want it linear. Yes, we do. And actually, let me do that again. So we'll put format trend line now that I already did it, but you're going to do add trend line. When it goes to linear, go ahead and put on the bottom here, this will save you a lot of trouble, display equation on chart, and also display R squared on chart. That's going to get you the values that you need for reporting. Go ahead and close that. And there we go. We've got the equation, we've got the R squared. From the R squared, how do you find the R? I'm going to let you guys figure that one out. It's pretty simple. But from that point on, it's just formatting. So there you have it. Very simple. You want to do the same thing with the females. We simply selected the data, went up to chart, and added it in. All right. And that's the last video. So you guys should be good to go for the entire lab. Go ahead and work that data. You have very little to report this time, so hopefully with these videos it cut your time in half. You can get them done in a couple hours or so. Start writing that discussion as soon as you can. Get it formatted real nice and get it proofread several times before you turn it in. Alright, we'll see you in class on Tuesday.